Ever wondered why dietitians and health enthusiasts consistently emphasize the importance of legumes in our diet? Well, there are plenty of reasons to love these little nutritional powerhouses. Legumes, a broad term encompassing the Fabaceae family, are the third largest family of flowering plants, boasting over 20,000 species. These include peas, beans, and lentils, just to name a few. They've become a staple in diets around the globe, from the hearty stews of South America to the fragrant curries of India. One of the reasons for their global popularity is their affordability. Legumes are an inexpensive source of protein, making them a vital resource in regions where meat is scarce or expensive. But their value extends far beyond their cost-effectiveness. Legumes pack an impressive nutritional punch. They're high in vitamins and complex carbohydrates, providing a slow-release energy source that keeps you feeling fuller for longer. They are also a great source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. But let's not forget about the protein. Legumes are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, making them a favorite among vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to reduce their meat consumption. And then there's the distinction between legumes, pulses, and beans. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they each have a distinct meaning. A legume refers to any plant from the Fabaceae family, including its leaves, stems, and pods. A pulse, on the other hand, is the edible seed from a legume plant. This includes beans, lentils, and peas. So, for example, a pea pod is a legume, but the pea inside the pod is the pulse. The entire legume plant is often used in agricultural applications, while the seeds or pulses are what typically end up on our dinner plates. And beans? They're just one type of pulse. Legumes, pulses, and beans are not only nutritious but also versatile, making them a crucial part of a balanced diet. So, next time you're planning your meals, why not include some legumes? Your body will thank you for it. To fully appreciate the value of legumes, it's essential to understand the difference between legumes, pulses, and beans. Let's start with legumes. When we talk about legumes, we're referring to any plant from the Fabaceae family. This includes not only the pods we're familiar with, but also the leaves and stems of the plant. Legumes are a diverse group, boasting over 20,000 species, each with its unique characteristics and benefits. Now let's move on to pulses. The term pulse might not be as commonly used, but it plays a significant role in our diet. Pulses are the edible seeds harvested from the pods of legume plants. In essence, when you're enjoying a bowl of lentils or peas, you're consuming pulses. And what about beans? Well, beans are a type of pulse. They fall under the same category as lentils and peas, but are distinguished by their size and shape. From kidney beans to chickpeas, black beans to navy beans, each one is a pulse, each one a powerhouse of nutrition. These distinctions might seem subtle, but they're crucial when it comes to understanding the nutritional value each brings to the table. Legumes, as a whole, contribute to agricultural applications, serving as cover crops or being used in livestock feed or fertilizers. On the other hand, pulses, such as beans, are the nutritional heavyweights that often end up on our dinner plates. They're packed with protein, vitamins, complex carbohydrates, and fiber, making them a nutritious staple around the world. So the next time you enjoy a hearty bean stew or a refreshing lentil salad, remember, you're not just eating beans or lentils, you're consuming pulses, the edible seeds of legumes. And when you pass by a field of flowering legume plants, remember, it's not just about the beautiful blooms, it's about the entire plant, leaves, stem, and pods, each playing a vital role in our ecosystem and our diet. Knowing the difference between legumes, pulses, and beans can help us better understand their unique nutritional contributions. Incorporating legumes into our diet can have profound impacts on our health. From the humble lentil to the versatile chickpea, legumes have been nourishing mankind for centuries, offering a wealth of nutrition in every bite. Let's dive right into the health benefits. First on the list is cardiovascular health. Legumes are rich in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which aids in cholesterol regulation. They also contain polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fatty acids, including linoleic and oleic acids, which are heart-friendly fats. Regular consumption of legumes can therefore contribute to a healthier heart, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Next, let's talk about cancer. Legumes are packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals, compounds that combat oxidative stress, a key player in the development of cancer. Regular intake of legumes can therefore help to prevent the onset of this dreaded disease. On the front of digestive health, legumes are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. They also act as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in our gut, contributing to a healthier digestive system. Moving on to diabetes, legumes have a low glycemic index, which means they have a slower impact on blood sugar levels compared to other carbohydrate-rich foods. This makes them an ideal food choice for people with diabetes, as well as those trying to prevent the disease. Lastly, we can't forget about obesity. As a rich source of protein and fiber, legumes can help you feel full faster and keep you satisfied longer. This can lead to reduced calorie intake and assist in weight control. All these benefits are encapsulated in the vibrant array of legumes available to us. From black beans to green peas, from red lentils to white chickpeas, each one brings with it a unique set of nutrients and health benefits. With such a wide array of health benefits, it's clear why legumes are a dietary staple. So, the next time you're planning a meal, don't forget to include these nutritional powerhouses. They're not just good for you, they're good for your health. Legumes aren't just for soups and salads. They're also used in a range of products you might not expect. The versatility of these tiny powerhouses extends far beyond the traditional forms we're familiar with. Let's delve into some of the myriad products made from legumes. First up, tofu. This protein-packed plant-based food is made from soybeans, a type of legume. Tofu is a staple in many Asian cuisines and has found its way into Western kitchens as a meat alternative. Its mild flavor and ability to absorb spices and sauces make it a versatile ingredient in a multitude of dishes. Next, we have peanut butter. Yes, you heard that right. Peanuts are a type of legume. This creamy, nutty spread is a favorite in sandwiches, smoothies, and even desserts. Besides being delicious, peanut butter offers a good dose of protein and healthy fats. Hummus, a Mediterranean delight, is another legume-based product that has gained popularity worldwide. Made from mashed chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, and spices, hummus is a healthy and flavorful addition to salads, sandwiches, and snacks. And let's not forget the growing range of plant-based meat alternatives. With concerns over the environmental impact of meat production and an increased focus on plant-based diets, legumes have taken center stage as a primary ingredient in these products. From burgers to sausages to nuggets, legume-based proteins are proving that plant-based can be just as satisfying as the real deal. However, while these legume-based products can be convenient and delicious, it's important to be aware of potential pitfalls. Many processed foods can contain added sodium, sugar, saturated fat from tropical oils, or other additives that can detract from their nutritional benefits. Always take a moment to check the nutrition facts label and ingredients list. Remember, the whole form of legumes, whether it's lentils, chickpeas, or black beans, will always be the healthiest choice. But when convenience calls, processed legume products can still be a nutritious option, provided we make informed choices. While legume-based products can be a convenient and tasty part of our diet, it's important to make informed choices about processed foods. So, let's continue to explore and celebrate the incredible versatility and nutritional prowess of legumes. Let's take a moment to recap the importance and benefits of legumes in our diet. As we've learned, the Fabaceae, or Leguminosa family, commonly known as the legume, pea, or bean family, is the third largest family of flowering plants, consisting of over 20,000 species. These nutritional powerhouses are staples in diets across the globe, providing an economical source of protein, vitamins, complex carbohydrates, and fiber. We've distinguished between the terms legumes, pulses, and beans, noting that a legume refers to any plant from the Fabaceae family, including its leaves, stems, and pods. A pulse, on the other hand, is the edible seed from a legume plant and includes beans, lentils, and peas. Beans in their many forms, from kidney to chickpeas, are just one type of pulse. We've also highlighted the dietary guidelines emphasizing legume consumption, such as the U.S. Dietary Guidelines recommending about 3 cups a week, and the DASH eating plan suggesting 4 to 5 half-cup servings a week. The Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations has also acknowledged the importance of pulses, declaring the International Year of Pulses in 2016 to focus on their contribution to food production and nutritional diversity. In terms of health, we've explored how legumes contain several components that may help prevent the development of various chronic diseases when eaten as part of a balanced, plant-rich diet. These diseases include cardiovascular disease, cancer, digestive health issues, diabetes, and obesity. Finally, we've talked about the wide range of products made from legumes available in our supermarkets, from classic options like tofu, peanut butter, and hummus to a variety of plant-based meat alternatives. However, we've also cautioned about the need to check the nutrition facts label and ingredients list to avoid high levels of added sodium, sugar, saturated fat from tropical oils, or other additives. Remember, a diet rich in legumes contributes to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle, so why not incorporate more legumes into your meals?